If you think just rest is the best way to recover from a concussion, you've been lied to. Most concussion advice is outdated, it's antiquated. And following the wrong advice, that's how people get stuck with lingering symptoms for months or even years. So let's break down the biggest concussion myths keeping people from healing and what actually works. Number one, for years, doctors told concussion patients to sit in a dark room, avoid screens, and do absolutely nothing. Well, guess what? That's terrible advice. Research now shows that strict rest can actually slow down recovery. Instead of hiding in a dark room for weeks, light movement, proper sleep, and targeted rehab can speed up healing. So if your plan is to just wait it out, you might be making things worse. Number two, not all symptoms mean the same thing. Concussions don't all look the same. One person might have headaches and dizziness, while another has brain fog and mood swings. So headaches and dizziness could be a neck issue. Light sensitivity might be a nervous system problem. Brain fog and fatigue, the brain struggling with energy production. And here's where it gets tricky. If you don't treat the right thing, you don't actually get better. Number three, the biggest myths keep people from healing. So let's bust the top concussion myths that keep people stuck. Myth, you have to black out for it to be a concussion. Truth, 90% of concussions happen without loss of consciousness. Myth, if you feel fine after a few days, you're good to go. Truth, symptoms can show up days or even weeks later. Myth, one concussion equals automatic CTE. Truth, CTE is linked to repeated brain trauma over years, not just one hit. So if you're basing your recovery on bad info, it could be costing you time and health. Number four, the right treatment plan depends on you. There's no one-size-fits-all recovery. So factors like age, concussion history, type of injury, and lifestyle all play a role. The best concussion treatment is personalized, not just rest and hope for the best. If you're still dealing with symptoms weeks later, it's not normal. It's a sign your brain needs help. Number five, you don't have to figure this out alone. Concussion recovery is confusing. Google gives you 17 different answers. Coaches tell you one thing, doctors tell you another, but you don't have to guess your way through this. That's why we created the Concussion Comeback Program. It's a step-by-step recovery plan based on real science and what actually works. We also put together an in-depth ebook with everything you need to know about healing properly. So grab it in the insert somewhere around this video. All right, next up, concussions aren't just minor head bumps. They have real long-term consequences. So if you think a concussion is just temporary, you need to watch this video next. And also, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you found this information helpful, drop a comment below and subscribe. Hey, we'll talk to you soon.